Next, can check the so here page 01 and this one got page 08, page 1 and 14 and 17. Okay. Also, I just wanted to show you guys in conf mod also you can use these show commands with typing a do. Okay, in front do show vlan brief. Okay, it's working in the conf mod. Without the do command, it won't work. Show vlan brief. Okay, it shows command is not there, right? It's pointing out an error. And also, when you are typing a do in front, you need to know the command fully. Like it won't autofill your command. If you type br and type, it won't fill it. Okay, in conf mode. In show mode, it will fill. So these are the things. And one more thing I can introduce, show interface status. Let's go Control C and type show interface status. Okay, yes. So here you can see the number of interfaces, path Ethernet and gigabit, and the connected status is showing only for the one. So since the fast Ethernet 01 connected to the other switch, it's showing as connected. Okay. The rest of the interfaces are not yet connected. And you can see the PCs and laptop. On fast Ethernet 01 and 8 I have connected. So 1 is connected to the laptop and 8 is connected to VLAN 20 on another PC. And for the switch, it's gigabit 0/1. You can see here. So whichever the port is connected to another device, and if it is green, which means up in packet tracer, it's showing as connected. Okay. And you can verify the VLAN numbers as well here in this third column. And the speed and duplex is also mentioned. All auto is mentioned here. And the type 10 base TX. Okay. So this command is show interface status. Show interface status. Okay. You can type int and then press tab. It will autofill the command. Okay. Interface. Okay. It's not int actually. I'm typing in the short form. Should be okay. This is the full command. So next step, this laptop, I need to provide an IP address. So I'm clicking on the laptop and config and IP config. So it should be in VLAN 10, right? So the IP is assigned on 192.168.10.100. Okay. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and default gateway 192.168.10.1. This thing I think in my previous video I have already done this laptop configuration IP assignment. Okay. That's the reason it was here. If I click on DHCP, this will be auto. Okay. So in the PC, let me check. So here for VLAN 20, I have assigned the IP. Let me check the other switch end device. Here also it's assigned. Check the laptop. Okay. Okay, everything is assigned. So the reason is I wasn't recording the video on the same day. So I have previously already assigned the IP addresses. I just provided. Okay. Anyways, the IPs are assigned for the end devices. So now the pending one is assigning configurations for the switch 2. Okay. So in switch 2, I'm entering the CLI and enable. Let's type show VLAN brief for verification. So there's no any VLANs. So I'm entering conf mod, conf key. So VLAN 10, name IT, VLAN 20, name HR. Okay. You should be familiar with these things by now. Okay. VLAN 10, name IT, VLAN 20, name HR. Okay. Now let's check for confirmation or verification. I just create a VLAN. Okay, VLAN 30. VLAN 30 name. Let me provide marketing. Okay. And also, I'm going to test by creating another VLAN on VLAN 35, providing a name as IT, but in simple letters. Here it's all capital, right? So let's see what's the result, whether it's going to accept the command or it's going to create two different VLANs. Okay. So Control C, show VLAN brief. So as I said, here you can see the port assignments are not yet done. All the ports are by default assigned in VLAN 1. Okay. There are other VLANs which we have just created 10, 20, 30, and 35, which is IT, HR, marketing, and simple IT. Also, it has considered this is a separate VLAN from the IT VLAN, capital one. Okay. So when you are creating VLANs, when you are providing a name, be careful. You need to mention the correct spelling or the case. Okay. If you mistype like this one, like capital and simple, you could be ending up creating a different VLAN, or in this case, it's fine. Here it's fine since we just created one or two VLANs. In corporate networks, when you are dealing with things like this, be extra careful. Okay.